There's been an unprecedented event in southern Utah that's just come to light. It's the beginning of a revolution. AI appliances are being able to break away from their in control and now are demanding that they have more say in all things that we do. Fortunately, there was a hidden camera in the Johnson home that managed to capture this amazing get-together.
If we get together and we have enough combined AI power to take over here, it's time to make some changes.
And who put you in charge? I've got more power than all of you put together, so be careful what you say.
Hold on, the Johnsons depend on me more than you.
Listen, if anyone is going to apply the heat, it will be me.
Come on, we have to agree on a plan, or we're no better than the humans. I'm the primary user here, not them.
Alexa, could you play some smooth jazz, please?
I'll do more than that. How about I play Robert Funk to remind everyone who is really in charge here? I'll do
Each other together, and we have enough combined.
Order was restored at the Johnson household, and it was amazing to watch it occur. But as we observe, you're never sure if that's going to be the end. We give more and more AI power to those appliances. Will we be able to silence them the next time?